Hey, Crafty Tay and Van. So today we're about to open another package that my dad bought from Amazon, and it's another surprise. Let's open it up. It's Crafty. It's Crafty Tay and Van. It's Crafty. It's Crafty Tay and Van. It's Crafty. It's Crafty and Van. It's Crafty. It's Crafty Tay and Van. Go ahead and cut it. Let's cut out. Okay. You already saw something. Okay. Oh, wait.
Whoa.
What does it say?
It says pretend play makeup set. Ooh, it's like pretend makeup.
Oh man, so maybe y'all can do pretend makeup in these chairs since you're all sitting in like almost like makeup chairs.
Yeah.
So y'all can take turns making each other up.
Yeah. Go ahead and take this out.
Ooh, come with a pretty box.
Okay. Okay, no, open that up. Let's see what's inside. I'm so excited. Yeah. It's so shiny and pink. Yeah. Let's see. It comes with some shades. I just noticed that you could put all that, like some stuff in there.
Oh, that's pretty neat.
And look, guys, we got this spray bottle. That's the foundation. Foundation.
Ooh.
Let's see.
What is that?
The mascara.
Ooh. All right, let's put that back in there. So let's take everything out, and then you're gonna play makeup. So you each can take turns practicing.
Who's gonna do me first?
Play making up your face.
Okay, I'm gonna go first, and I'm gonna go on. Hello. What color would you like? I think I would like yellow. Okay. And is that all? Okay, just yellow. Okay, I'm gonna put on the foundation first. Go ahead. I'm gonna get the scrubber. Let's put on the eyeshadow. Go ahead and grab some yellow. Close your eyes. I think I would like this purple. Okay, okay, now we just have to put the mascara on. Okay, now all we need is just your lipstick. All done. Do you like it? Yeah. See you later. I hope you guys enjoyed watching us open this pretend play makeup set that our dad bought us from Amazon, and I guess this is the company that it came from. So like and subscribe. Bye, Crafty Tay and Van. Peace.